fellow Sierra Leoneans. Today, August 26th, 2020, this is Dr. Sylvia Blyden, the cantonor, with audio number 004 for me ongoing audios. I don't listen to a lot of concerns where they say the audios they might be too long. So I go try for shorting me audios there now so that I can reduce the amount of time when I get for spend for listening to the audio. Not to all man grumble, but good people themselves say they like them way the long and detailed. But other people they not like them. And I want to make as many people as possible listen to me audios. So today our audio not go long, like the last one them. But let me just say that something very important. The one the way they intimidate me fellow APC comrades then say, anybody share Sylvia Blyden in audio na the APC groups, then they pull that person there. I want to make the rest of APC comrades then look on that as a sign say, whatever na me message what they give, it's very powerful, which means it must be the truth, which means something that what they talk was so accurate that the one that what they talk against, they don't want to make people then listen to them. Because otherwise, why don't they go to so much extent for trying to distract from the message and to the extent for even intimidate fellow APC comrades, so they're not for listening to me. Well, me just want to tell you now, APC comrades, any WhatsApp group where they block you, say you know for talk about Sylvia Blyden, go open your WhatsApp group, call your party them back. When I can get new WhatsApp group now, I put Sylvia Blyden in audio inside it. Then between me and the one them where they block say not for play me audio, as time they go on, I go see who that genuine, who that they talk to, and who that they lie. So please, as from now, if they threaten you na any WhatsApp group, say not for share Sylvia Blyden in audios, not argue with them all. Until that they get them WhatsApp group, you go open your own APC WhatsApp group. You call them back, APC WhatsApp group. You put Sylvia Blyden in message inside. Now na competition. Sylvia Blyden in message versus then one day we no want Sylvia Blyden in message. Let we see who that eventually will come out for be the way genuine for this country and genuine for this party who grandpa or papa then left for we. Now, let's clarify and assure everybody, see that news where they pull this night, after they do the audio so, they flash this news all over the place. Say they see me at their meeting with Chief Minister, Leema, and Vikal, and some other people then. From today, this morning, I not left me house, I not come myself na me gate. Because when them see them come for can search me house, then pull me house, bad one, broke me domot, damage me window them, go up na my bedroom, pull thing inside there, the policeman they say, then they search. So now that work there, I don't depend all them days here, I not come on na me compound safe. So anybody will tell una say, then see me this night, August 26th, in fact the person put the time on, he say 9:15 p.m. I lie, they lie. From morning till I they do repairs at my house. I not left my house safe. The second lie back what I want to clarify quick. They said that Vice President Jules Jalon him call me lawyer, pay Charles Magai me legal fees for me. But ladies and gentlemen, if government no one give me case, then they go pay lawyer. Yeah. I mean no reason out. The last time where I see Vice President Jules Jallo with me, the very last term, now March 2018, over 2 years ago, where APC still in power, when they send me as part of the delegation for day with Dr. Samura Kamara, the day when they go Bintumani for get dialogue with the international observers. They mean call President Madabio then say for car inside, but now not president, but that day he was the candidate Madabio and his running mate, Jules Jallo. Now the last time I see Jules, the last time me and Jules Jallo talk. I mean, Sabi Jules Jallo many years ago. As he see me Bintu Mani greet me, we talk. From that day, I don't see Jules Jallo with me yai. So the one the way they work with Jules Jallo, I think say we all sabi them. The one the way they work with Chief Minister, I believe say we all sabi them. Me and Sylvia Blyden, can me go be the last person we go betray the APC. And they are sure now on that. Me na post we get integrity, whatever they do, and then they go do and be in yard. I am very genuine. All the alarms they want they raise about how the APC is being run, it is genuine. The APC right now are like a train we don't derail. The driver they go with the train, the people that sit down at the front side on the train, they don't see say this train here. Now crash with they go crash so. But then they go and clap and laugh and make jolly inside the front cabin. The one the way they be in at the back part of the train, the back cabin them, they don't know say disaster don't be. Because waiting on the hear the sound where they come on at the front cabinet, the front cabin. Then they hear like person they holler, they say danger, they come, they raise alarm. All waiting on the hearing a clap and laugh. Oh, this driver where they drive with sabi driver. This driver is sabi driver. So they all relax at the back. Past when the train go don't crash finally now they're going to say, oh, bio this driver yeah, this train here me don't derail. Then they happen with the APC right now. The leadership of the APC, the way that they run the party, now complete damnation how they head for so. And they know it. But they don't want me to speak about it. For whatever reason, I don't understand. Because this thing is frightening. For make a whole main opposition party, they take them mistake steps they are where they take. We all don't see just today. The letter will come out from one lawyer where they copy the High Court against with APC officials then. This is not good though. And not of us say they don't know say all me alarms they not genuine. They know. So today as I tell you now, I don't want to talk boku, I don't want to talk long. It's going to be a short audio. The only thing where I want for like highlights to una again, that anybody will intimidate una now say, Sylvia Blyden audio not for play inside any WhatsApp group. Do ya? Una just open una your WhatsApp group back. Call the people that we want inside that WhatsApp group there. Say una can't join with this other WhatsApp group. So they can listen Sylvia Blyden in audio. And then how they go before. We go know that they talk through between me and them. And I believe say this thing what they do so not a natural one, now God. That divine inspiration from God now happened August 19th. Because I did tell you, not only the day and day when I'm planned for begin talk. But when I see letter that will come out today, that lawyer in letter, I see some other documents, I look the date, I know say this, August 19, where I begin talk, now God is safe, and the inside it. So me, all the intimidation, the threats, the cause, I'm not intimidated at all. Una stand firm and una ready. Tomorrow, audio 005 they come out. And audio 005 could be for the political parties registration commission. Because you know this audio what they do, not for APC. Now for the one whole country, issues they will get for do with the one whole country. It is just that one may start for condemn Adebayo in audio, for call people then for Canada street, and also start for condemn the way the current leadership of the APC they go, like say direction all day, like when they go on a train crash. So some man maybe don't feel say this audio now only for APC. No. Tomorrow audio 005. Now for the PPRC, because I read the press release with them pulled today about what they refer to as hate speech. And tomorrow, I want to address the PPRC. I want to ask them in depth. Where people like them, Fatmata Sawane, they pull an unprovoked hate speech against person like Sylvia Blyden. So tomorrow, 005, now for the PPRC. But for today, I will round up by playing an audio when we float around over the weekend, where one journalist they address another person. And I go play the journalist name Emmanuel Kamara. That's why I will take round up this audio today. And when Emmanuel in audio don't play down, I will inside and give a short talk. They will end audio 004 and wait for audio 005. When for the PPRC, the hypocrisy within deeper.
Yes, Bobo Koka, me and Emmanuel, I still respond to you. And I want to let you know, say, and Dr. Sylvia Blyden, not do no wrong to APC hierarchy or the current executive, except if somebody they were very hypocrite to the fault for beginning to look at the people then where they are the aim of affairs. Why for allow the old somebody when I senior member of the party and member is a NAC member, the whole we not say all what the whole for. Just imagine, you see one old police superintendent when I MK Aliyu, you go old Anes Kuruma in pictures. Remember, the woman fought a fight against the SLPP on behalf of the All People's Congress. And mind you, the voice of Dr. Sylvia Blyden, now a very strong voice in this country. Me, I don't work with her. I sabi her very well. She's my mom, she's my mentor. Trust me, say what you may. But Dr. Blyden, a woman who only ever fought a war win or the win. Me, now one part of the people that will be even the advisor say no cancer Leone when SLPP take power. But she told me that, Emmanuel, don't worry. My records are clear and me they come for defend. They come to Sierra Leone. They come, they intimidate us so many times in newspaper, when awareness times, newspaper, government banner and adverts. They run the paper dry just to portray the image of the All People's Congress. For God's sake, ladies and gentlemen, family who listen to this forum, and at large, why they for crucify Sylvia? Why Sylvia forget a case against government? The hierarchy of the All People's Congress, not even for pulling one single public notice or even a press release for condemn government for say the only woman for over 20 days when the stipulated days one of felonious crime he commits. The stipulated days for being 72 hours for charge and court, not charge and court. Human day at a very critical position wherein a woman can reach every month. The human reports say are not well. They send people there and go do things then to the one not going for talk because she's my mom. I owe her a lot. And my family as well. For God's sake. Anes Kuruma, with all due respect, His Excellency, former Dr. Anes Bai Kuruma. Me, I want to let you be as chairman and leader for the APC to go. But let us not begin and pick. There are people who, when they get issues with the CID or government, when they see the executive, they go there. The likes of Kamon Kaba, the late Momo Conte. There are other people, Sierra Leoneans, them, who are strong APC people then. They don't get issues with the government. They see the party go there. What's happened with Sylvia Blyden? For say Sylvia Blyden now waiting. Why not for all meeting? There are a rumor where they go on now where I want to let Dr. Insef go clarify. People they allege they say doctor for pay money to NAC, you know, agree for pay. I mean, they not call him. Dr. Sylvia Blyden, wherever you are, I don't even have your contact now. But trust me, I want to clarify that. Then say you for pay a money to NAC. They not agree for pay. I mean, they not call you for NAC meeting. We want to get that clarification. Ladies and gentlemen, I hold me peace. Bobo Koka, I want to know say Dr. Sylvia Blyden a thick skin somebody that born APC, breed APC, and he will remain APC. Now some people get for go. Sylvia Blyden must not go. But there are certain individuals within the party where they play double role that then they go. Arrest my case.
Okay, fellow Sierra Leoneans, that was the voice of Emmanuel Kamara one of the senior journalists then as Tumac Radio na eastern of Freetown. Emmanuel, as you don't hear in me audio, I don't clarify, say I no owe NAC no money. And furthermore, the lawyer, when I mean mislead the people then within utterance, instead don't make audio, where you don't explain, say, in just they use high level code talk for talk, that talk when talk say me for pay rent, me not pay rent in a NAC. So the grassroots they were confused with that in talk there. Then say don't read the lawyer now, instead don't explain, say no owe no money to NAC. So whatever na the reason we make NAC not call me, as I tell you now, it go come out slowly, and I believe say don't begin come out safe as to why make they not call me for attend certain meetings them. But on that note, I want to round up this audio for today. I want to tell you thank you, Emmanuel, for we bring up this issue and for assure you say I go make time, make me and you see one of them days here. Let God bless you and let God bless we all. Tomorrow we will get audio 005, and as I say, that one they will deal with the hypocrisy of the PPRC. Let God bless we all.